Welcome to Harrisburg Academy, where all students are seen, known, and celebrated.
Harrisburg Academy is Central Pennsylvania's premier, highly acclaimed pre-K through grade 12 school. And the doors are open wide for you to explore our campus, our culture, and our curriculum at an open house on July 30th at 6 p.m.
At Harrisburg Academy, we not only teach children what to learn, but most importantly, how to learn.
Our approach from preschool to high school seniors focuses on experiential, hands-on learning with uplifting projects that help our local and global communities.
Through art, music, theater, robust extracurricular activities, and PIAA sports, your student will make their mark at Harrisburg Academy.
Join us on July 30th for our open house,
where you'll discover that you belong at Harrisburg Academy.